What's up guys? In today's quick tutorial, we'll explore the easiest way to update new iPhones to the latest iOS version. Updates brings new features, security patches and performance improvements, so it's important to keep your device up to date. So let's begin. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then go to General and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, you'll see the option to download and install it here. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi since the update will use that. I also recommend charging your device to at least 50% or plugging it in. When you're ready, tap on Update Now or Update Tonight. I'll do that now. You might need to enter your passcode or confirm your identity using Face ID or Touch ID. The update will download and then install automatically. Once the update is complete and your iPhone restarts, it may take a few minutes for the settings to apply. And that's it, your iPhone is now updated. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.